In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to generate professional rental listings for your properties. Let's get started. I'll start by opening ChatGPT in my browser. To get the best results, I find it's helpful to give the AI a clear persona and set some ground rules. I have my initial prompt ready in a separate text file. In this prompt, I'm introducing myself as Josh, a property owner and landlord, and I'm asking ChatGPT to act as my expert rental listing copywriter. I want the listings to be clear, appealing, and honest, highlighting the best features of a property without being misleading. I'll copy that entire block of text now and paste it right into the message bar. Once I hit enter, ChatGPT confirms it understands its new role. It even provides a helpful breakdown of how it plans to approach the task, from identifying the right tenant to highlighting the strongest selling points and maintaining a professional yet inviting tone. Now that the stage is set, I'll go back to my notes to grab the details for my first property. This one is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment in a mid-rise building. I've included all the specifics like the updated kitchen, stainless steel appliances, and the fact that it's pet-friendly for small dogs. I'll copy this description and paste it into the chat. Almost instantly, ChatGPT transforms those basic notes into a high-converting rental listing. It creates a catchy headline and a modern, descriptive narrative that makes the space sound truly inviting. It also organizes the features and additional perks into clean, scannable bullet points, which is exactly what potential tenants look for. Next, I have a different type of property to list. This is a 4-bedroom single-family home, and I want the tone to be warmer and more community-focused to attract families. I'll copy the details about the fenced backyard, the finished basement, and the nearby schools from my text file. I'll paste that in, and you can see how the AI adjusts its writing style to feel more homey and neighborhood-oriented. For the final task, I need something very specific, a short, punchy listing for Facebook Marketplace. This is for a studio apartment, and I need it to be under 100 words and easy to scan. I'll copy the request along with the studio's details and paste it into the prompt box. The result is perfect. It's concise, highlights the best features like the renovated bathroom and natural light, and ends with a clear call to action for interested renters. This process allows me to create high-quality, professional listings for any platform in just a matter of seconds. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.